Reading process. The reading process consists of 5 stages. It includes associated actions such as seeing, remembering, vocalizing, evaluating, and understanding. Also, reading. It can also be said that communication, perception, and learning process. Sight, perception of words, eye. Recall, recognition. Recognition of words perceived, brain. Voice over. Recognize words turning into sounds, internal, external voice. Evaluation, measuring perceived words, brain. Comprehension, making sense of recognized words, brain. Whereas, reading activity is a complex process with physiological, mental, and spiritual aspects such as preserving, analysing, and evaluating the feelings and thoughts in the writing. The general characteristics of this activity, which includes complex actions such as seeing, remembering, vocalising, and evaluating, can be summarised as follows.